Welcome to Tech Brothers with Amir. In this video, we are going to learn how to restore single database from complete MySQL database dump. So think about a scenario when you have created the backup for all the databases in one single file, and then what you would like to do, you would like to restore only one database out of that. So see right here, we have different databases. We have TechBrothers 2, TechBrothers IT New, TechBrothers Tutorial, TestDB, and all that. What I'm going to do here, first of all, I'm going to create a single file for all these database bases backup. So I will say MySQL dump, provide the username, provide the password, and then I will say dash dash a all databases. Okay, and then I will provide the destination where I would like to write it. So I would like to write it into my SQL backup directory with the file name all back databases.sql. Okay, I'm going to copy this and run it. Once I run it, it's going to take some time, but went pretty quick. So we have all databases. Let me check the size of it. So you can see right there. So 8.9 MB. Okay, great, not bad. Okay, what we have to do here, as this file contains the backup of all the databases. Now, in case let's say somebody go and drop this database called the TechBrother New. So it's in dropping this. TechBrowser new, and then what we have to do, we have to restore that database from that backup file. So what we can do here, we can use the MySQL and then provide the username, provide the password, and say one database. So you have to say one database, then provide the name of that database, TechBrothers IT new, okay, and from where this MySQL backup all database file backup file. So that's where, because that's our backup file, right? And we would like to restore to the TechBrothers IT new. Okay, if I will go ahead and run it, it might not restore it because this database does not exist. So we have to create empty schema first or database first to run this. So you can see that it is throwing us error. It is telling us, hey, you know what? You don't have this empty database. So I'm going to go ahead and say create database or create schema and just push it there. Now run this statement. Refresh all databases. Okay, so I can see the TechBrothers new database there, no tables at all right now. I'm going to copy this restore part again and run. It will only restore this MySQL TechBrothers IT new. It will not touch any other database. Okay, so run this statement. Sorry, wrong, clear. Okay, it is restoring right now. And if we will go ahead and refresh. Okay, one table is restored. It's working on the second table. Let's give it a second. Okay, it's completed. Let's go ahead and take a look again. Refresh all the tables. Here we have tables employee and manager. Let me select the data from a manager. I have only one record in the manager table, and I have some records in the employee table in the TechBrothers IT new database. So that's restored correctly. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope this video will help. It's pretty easy, quick to just a couple of statements. You need to use MySQL dump, take all databases back up to single file. Okay, and then just when you need to restore, you have to say one database and provide the name of the database, and it should do just fine. It is easy and quick way to do it. Thanks very much, and I will see you guys in next video.